That right there, that's my tractor. It's not beautiful, it's not new, it doesn't have all the fancy stuff, but it does the work.
You think you do so much better, well, I ain't buying that. You hold me back when I'm walking, you do all my talking, like you're the only one that matters. Well, I won't stand for that, 'cause you say you got the touch, I think you talk too much, 'cause I swear I make you blush.
The color, yellow and green, that was what was available. 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 That was what was available at the time. Could have been red, could have been blue, ended up being yellow and green. And I love it. I've made it. Oh! I've made another video about the tractor as well, so if you hit that button right up there, you can see it.
You say you got the touch, but I think you talk too much, 'cause I swear I make you blush, but I won't get flattered, 'cause it doesn't even matter. You think you know so much, but I think you're out of touch. I don't wanna be next to you, 'cause I can't stand a single thing you do. Oh, let's go. We can't quit now, we're so close. Wherever you go, I'll go. And I can't do this on my own. So brother, are you with me? 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 Oh, let's go. You and me so unbeatable, make it look unbelievable. We can't quit now, we're so close. Wherever you go, I'll go. And I can't do this on my own. So brother, are you with me? Brother, are you with me? Brother, are you with me? Oh, let's go.
Yeah, so this is my tractor. I need to buy some spare parts. I need to change the oil and change a lot of filters. There are also a couple of things missing. And the front loader has some cracks in it. And I need to fix that before I lift something with it. So here's Sigge.